Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So yeah, here on this chart, still ranging. The price is formed after this top on the 3rd of February. The price has formed a correction in 3 waves, an ABC structure. We're now very close to the 78.6 retracement, which is the critical support for such a wave 2. But again, it could also be a B wave, for example. So it could be an AB. Therefore, the invalidation point is actually down here at 2,125. This is relevant, very relevant, because, I mean, I'm tracking this as a 1-2, but bear in mind, what I have labeled as wave 1 is only a 3-wave move. So there is still a potential this turns into something different, like, for example, not an 1-2, but an A, B, C, and then that could be just a larger wave 1, okay? So at the moment, I think in the short term, this is only a short-term analysis and update. We just need to be watching if the market can actually generate, let's say, an upside reversal from this region after the strong sell-off we've had. As I record this video, the price is currently in a resistance area, which is located between $2,445 and $2,585. And I think one more low appears likely. One more low seems likely, but it is overall still a bullish structure, bullish setup, as long as we're holding above the 3rd of February low, which is located at around 2,125. Now the microstructure on the way down from this B wave price top, a B wave is part of a corrective structure, so that's wave B of 2. This B wave price top, it might, it topped obviously here on some exchanges. I can identify a higher high here, just right to the right, and that just means that the microstructure here, the microstructure might not be super accurate, which means we might already have bottomed. That's not my expectation though. I see this as 3 waves down with a potential for one more low. However, once the market breaks decisively above 2,585, we have our first confirmation that a low has formed in this wave 2 correction. And then the next step then for the bulls will be a break above this green line, our signal line, that's located at 2,927. So these are the key parameters. But what happens if we get one more low and it doesn't hold $2,273, which is key support? Well, as I said, it could technically go all the way down to the red line there. But any break below it will mean the scenario is changing, okay? So below the red line, I will have to reinterpret the chart. Actually, I don't need to reinterpret it. The alternative scenario is already on the chart. So that's one of the advantages of Elliott wave, that we get alternative scenarios, that we know what's coming should the market break below $2,125. And in that case, yeah, there might then be a marginally lower low, possibly targeting the area around $1,800 in a still unfolding wave 4. In the white scenario, the wave 4 already bottomed in August last year, here at around 2,100. But if we break below this low, obviously the assumption has to be that it's still unfolding. I would then still give the bulls the chance. But Ethereum, I mentioned it in many videos before, has or is still being outperformed by Bitcoin, and just hasn't performed very well in this cycle. So we need to still be careful with Ethereum, but I'm not yet giving up on Ethereum's bullish potential. Still though, until we have a confirmation that a local low has formed here, we need to be careful. Yeah, that's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on our main channel, MCO Global. These videos here on this channel are for our international community. This is where everybody comes together, all the different MCO communities that we have. Here we talk about stocks, we talk about precious metals, we talk about cryptocurrencies. Today, I've uploaded a video about 3 coins that could still rally to new all-time highs despite the current sell-off, and I provide key support levels, targets, but also ideas how they could be traded. So check it out if you're interested. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.